Alright, so I'm in game now. Let's spawn the NPC. The NPC name was 60,000. And it does not work. Let's go into the core and check why. Alright, so after messing around with it for a little bit, it does not want to work in game, and this is why. The template NPC here, the names are identical to this one, which makes the core think like which one is the right one. So to fix that, I'm gonna need to do template NPC in a different way, like to type a little bit differently. So let's do template NPC smaller case. Gonna need to compile it and to reinsert this script name in here. And I'm pretty sure it will work now, but we will see in a sec. Alright, that still doesn't want to work, so I guess there is only one problem. The fact that it's not written right. Here it's supposed to be on gossip. And that is supposed to have override. And same with on gossip hello, which is also supposed to have override and supposed to have on gossip hello and override. How I know this is because when you take this in here, no, sorry, let's go with the transmog system, a lot more simple. See on gossip hello layer and then override, and that works. So the one thing that we can actually see is that in here it's supposed to be on gossip hello. There's nothing here that says gossip hello. Alright, so let's give it a go. Let's compile it and see how far we'd get. Okay, it finished compiling. I'm gonna hop in game and see what's up.